Hello and welcome to Theatre in the World, Victorian Melodrama. I'm Mike Pasternak and I'll be guiding you through the course as we explore one of the most thrilling and influential theatrical traditions of the 19th century. Over the course of these modules, we'll delve into the world of Victorian melodrama, providing you with a rich historical perspective as well as practical tools to engage with this genre in your own theatrical practice and research. Studying theatre from diverse cultural and temporal contexts is essential in understanding the art form. By examining how performers develop their physical and vocal skills for specific traditions and seeing how these traditions reflect the social, moral and political issues of their time, we gain a deeper appreciation of theatre as a global art form. Through Victorian melodrama, you'll engage with this vibrant tradition and gain insights that enhance your understanding of wider global practices. My aim is to equip you with a comprehensive foundation for both practical and academic research in this exciting area of world theatre. Let's take a quick look at what each module will cover. Module 1 introduces Victorian melodrama by examining its historical context and societal role. We'll trace the genre's evolution during the 19th century and uncover why it became so popular across social classes. You'll also learn how melodramatic performances mirrored the political, social and moral concerns of the time, and how the theatre spaces of the era contributed to the genre's grand and spectacular style. In Module 2, we'll explore the different types of melodramas that developed over time, from the early Gothic styles of the late 18th and early 19th centuries to the later sensation melodramas known for their spectacular scenes. This module will introduce the key stock characters, the hero, the villain, and the damsel in distress, and reveal how these archetypes drive dramatic storylines. We'll also discuss the importance of exaggerated gestures and facial expressions, vital tools for conveying the intense emotions central to this genre. Module 3 focuses on practical approaches to performing in the tradition. Here, we'll dive into the techniques performers use to express heightened emotions, including pacing, volume, and physicality. You'll see how refining these skills contributes to the dramatic spectacle that Victorian melodrama is known for. In Module 4, we'll examine traditional performance material. Using excerpts from Victorian melodrama scripts, we'll analyse and apply the performance conventions we've covered to bring scenes to life. You'll learn to interpret and perform these scenes in the melodramatic style, drawing on the techniques from previous modules. Finally, in Module 5, we'll look at the evolution and reflection of Victorian melodrama. We'll discuss how the genre developed and why it eventually declined in popularity, while also exploring its lasting impact on modern entertainment, from soap operas to contemporary theatre and film. This module will also recap the core techniques for performing in the genre and offer tips for further skill development. Throughout the course, you'll see these ideas brought to life in practical workshops with students, demonstrating how young actors use body and voice to create the archetypal characters and heightened emotions that define this genre. By the end of this course, you'll have a thorough understanding of Victorian melodrama, from its historical and social roots to its unique performance conventions. I'm excited to take you on this journey and to help you develop your own research and performance skills in this captivating area of world theatre.